What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a guild in Free Fire. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To create a guild, tap on the Invite button on the bottom right of your main menu screen. From here, tap on the guild icon and then you can select Join Guild. On the bottom right of this screen, tap on Create Guild. You will be presented with the guild info page. On the left side, you can first of all change the guild badge. These badges get unlocked with your player level. Next, use a squad name. On the right hand side, you can change the guild region, which can be set to a country of your choice. Then, change the style you wish to play with users in your new guild. When using the auto approval method, then any user with the required level, Battle Royale and Clash Squad rank can join your new guild. When using the approval method, then you will have to manually accept or reject new potential members. Lastly, set a new slogan for your guild before paying the price to create the guild. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.